Should I stop over-normalizing my SQL database? Imagine building a database so perfect that every piece of data is stored exactly where it should be, with no duplicates or inconsistencies. Sounds great, right? But sometimes, going too far with this idea can cause problems. That's what we call over-normalization. Normalization is a process used in relational databases to organize data efficiently. It helps reduce duplicate data, makes sure information stays correct, and prevents issues when adding, deleting, or changing data. Usually, databases are normalized up to the third normal form or Boyce-Codd normal form. These levels strike a good balance between data integrity and query speed. But what happens if you normalize too much? When you break data into many small tables, your queries might need to join lots of tables together. These joins can slow down your system because they take more time to process. This is especially true in read-heavy applications where users are searching for information quickly. If your database has too many tables, your application might become sluggish because it has to gather data from many places. On the flip side, normalized databases are excellent for systems with lots of writing and updating. They keep data consistent and prevent mistakes. But in situations where fast reading is a priority, over-normalization can be a hindrance. To fix this, many developers choose to denormalize parts of their database. Denormalization means intentionally adding some redundancy to speed up queries. For example, storing calculated totals or frequently accessed data in the same table can reduce the number of joins needed. This makes retrieving data faster and more efficient. The key is to analyze what your application needs. If your system is mostly writing data, sticking with a normalized design makes sense. But if users need quick access to information, selectively denormalizing can help. Many systems use a mix of both approaches. They keep the core data normalized for accuracy and use denormalized data for reporting or fast reads. So, should you stop over-normalizing? Not entirely. Instead, aim for a balanced approach. Use normalization to keep your data clean and consistent, but don't be afraid to introduce some redundancy when performance demands it. Think about how your application works and choose the right level of normalization accordingly. This way, your database remains reliable and fast, making backend development easier and more straightforward.